Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Shopify payments message that says there was an issue processing your payment. So if you or your customer is trying to make a payment but Shopify keeps showing this message, don't worry. I'll show you a few simple things you can check one by one. First, open your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, go to the bottom left side and click Settings. After that, click Payments. This is the main page where you can check if Shopify Payments is set up properly. Now, the first thing you need to check is if Shopify Payments is already active. If Shopify Payments is not active yet, then your store may not be able to take card payments properly. So click the option to set up Shopify Payments, then follow what Shopify asks you to do. Make sure you add the correct business details, your name, your address, and your bank details. If Shopify asks for more information, do not skip it. Add the information they need because this can stop the payment problem from happening again. Next, check if there is any warning message on the payments page. Sometimes Shopify will show a message saying they need more details from you. This can be about your store, your bank account, or your identity. If you see a message like that, click it and complete the steps. This is important because Shopify Payments may not work fully until all the needed details are added. After that, check your bank account details. Make sure the bank account you added is correct. Check the account number, the name on the account, and the country. If the bank details are wrong, Shopify Payments may have problems. If you recently changed your bank account, update it inside the Payments section. After saving it, wait a little while, then try again. Now, the next thing you should check is test mode. Still on the Payments page, look for Shopify Payments, then check if test mode is turned on. If test mode is on, real card payments will not work the normal way. Test mode is only for testing your checkout. So if your store is already live and you want real customers to buy from you, turn test mode off. After you turn it off, save the change, then go back to your store and try the payment again. Next, try using another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is not from Shopify Payments itself. It can happen because of the browser, old saved data, or a small loading problem. So open your store in another browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You can also try using your phone, then go to the checkout page again and test the payment. If it works on another browser or device, then the problem was probably from the browser you used before. That's how you can fix the Shopify Payments issue that says there was an issue processing your payment. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.